For this video, we're going to walk you through how to use Excel to run a two-sample t-test, basically testing to see if there is a significant difference between two sets of data. In this case, we're going to compare ninth grade standardized tests for School B versus ninth grade standardized tests for School C. I'm going to first go to the Data top tab, select Data Analysis, and again in our options here, in this case we're going to go with t-test, two-sample, assuming unequal variances. Basically, if you don't know if there's enough information to say that there's a significant difference or not between the two of them, you probably also don't know what the variances are. So in this case, I'm assuming unequal variances. I select OK. My first variable is going to be the School B's standardized test scores. My second variable is going to be School C's standardized test scores, ninth grade. I don't know if there's a significant difference there or not. So my hypothesized mean difference right now, my null hypothesis, is that there is no difference between them. So I make sure that 0 is my hypothesized mean difference. I selected the labels, or I included the names in the top of each column, so I'm selecting labels here. My alpha value is 0.05. You can change this if you like, but the default is 0.05. And the output range, again, is asking where do you want this data. So I want the information, in this case, to be produced right here on the screen, and I select OK. And you'll notice here in the information I get quite a bit. I do get the means of each, and you'll see that there is a difference between the two values. So the mean scores for School C were 765 versus 754 for School B. I had 44 observations for School C and 41 from School B, and so on. But for this test, again, I'm running a two-sample t-test of significance to see if there is a significant difference between the two of them. I went into this not knowing one was greater than the other, or testing to see if one was greater than the other, just to see if there was an actual difference. So in this case, I'm running a two-tailed t-test. So I want to take a look at the p-value of the two-tailed t-test, and I'm comparing them now to the 0.05, which was my alpha. And since 0.29 is not less than the value of the alpha of 0.05, then I can say that there is not a statistically significant difference. This is the key thing to look for here. If it was a one-tailed test, then I would take a look and compare this to the 0.05. In this case, it's still not less than 0.05, which means, again, there is not a statistically significant difference between the two.